So if you've been using Claude in the past few weeks and something felt a little off, like the responses are thinner, the reasoning is shallower, and the depth you used to get is just not there anymore. You're not imagining it, I'm feeling it too. And I've been hearing this from people inside the community nonstop. They're saying Opus got nerfed, Claude feels slow, so what happened to our favorite model? So I went down the rabbit hole on this and spent around 2 weeks figuring it out, testing things, breaking things, trying every single workaround I could find, and I found the answer. It's not that Claude got dumber, the model is the same, but Anthropic just turned down the throttle with no announcement, no toggle, and no way for regular people and users just like us to change it back until now. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly what happened, why Anthropic did it, and 3 fixes ranked good to best, including the one I actually use that makes Claude feel like it's back to full throttle. And I'm going to give you the exact prompt and text to do this. Just copy and paste, and it takes 2 minutes, and that will change how Claude works for you immediately. So let's get into it. So here's what I found. Claude has an internal setting called reasoning effort, and think of it like a throttle on an engine. At 99, the model goes full power. It has deep reasoning, extended thinking, thorough analysis, but at 50%, it's at cruise control. It's kind of fast, surface level, and gets the job done, but it doesn't dig deeper. And at some point in the last few weeks, Anthropic just lowered the default effort level for chat users without an announcement, without a blog post, no documentation. So what happens now is that if you're using Claude for anything that requires actual thinking, research, strategy, complex analysis, writing that goes beyond, generic bullet points or like write me an email, you've been getting the economy version of Claude's brain without really knowing it. But the model sees your prompt and thinks this doesn't need my full attention and gives you a surface level response, except it's literally wrong. It does need their full attention. You're paying for their full attention, but we're just not getting the value for it. So if you're unsure whether or not this is happening to you or not, let's run through a few symptoms so we can confirm if it's actually happening to you. So first of all, the responses that Claude gives you feel shallow. You ask a complex question and it outputs organized bullet points that look helpful but don't actually say anything useful. Secondly, is that the reasoning steps are simply just missing. You ask Claude to think through a problem and it jumps straight to an answer instead of showing its work. Or thirdly, the extended thinking barely fires. If you're on a plan that includes extended thinking, it should be engaging on virtually every single complex prompt that you give it. Instead, it's firing maybe 10 to 20% of the time, if not at all. And the most frustrating one to me is that Claude feels like it's trying to end the conversation early. Shorter responses, fewer follow-up insights, less of the here's something else you should consider. That made Claude special. If any of that sounds familiar, keep watching. I've got the fix for you. Before we get into the fixes, we kind of need to understand why this happened, right? Maybe you already know, because this isn't a bug. It's a business decision from Anthropic. Lower reasoning effort means fewer tokens per response, and fewer tokens means less computer use per user. Less compute means better margins on their side, and when you're serving tens of millions of users, even a small reduction in an average token output per request saves millions in infrastructure costs. I actually kind of understand the logic behind it from a business perspective. I kind of think they crossed the line here. For me, they didn't really tell anyone, first of all. If Anthropic had released some official statement saying, hey, we're introducing an adaptive effort system and here's how to control it, that would be fine. I'll be happy with that. Instead, users like me spent weeks thinking the model got worse, blaming their prompts, blaming themselves, and some people literally downgraded their plans and even unsubscribed and switched to Codex or ChatGPT because they thought the quality drop was permanent. And to me, that's not really acceptable when you're charging people $20 to $200 per month. All right, so let's get into fixing it now. So there are 3 ways. Let's start with the first way. Fix number 3 is you go into the custom instructions, you go to settings, profile, custom instructions, and paste in something like this. Always reason thoroughly and deeply, treat every request as complex unless I explicitly say otherwise, never optimize for brevity at the expense of quality, think step by step, consider trade-offs, and provide comprehensive analysis. Basically, you're telling Claude treat everything as complex, which it should be already doing, telling it to think deeply, don't optimize for brevity, and this does work sometimes. The problem is that Claude's system prompt actually says it can choose to ignore custom instructions if it decides they aren't relevant to the current conversation. So if you're making a suggestion, not giving a command, some people swear by this fix. In my testing though, it improved maybe 60 to 70% of responses, better than nothing, but not reliable enough for serious work. Now let's move on to fix number 2, which is heading into settings and heading into styles, and then changing something called the XML tag, which is a reasoning underscore effort. It's not some hack. This is the actual internal control mechanism that Anthropic uses to set how hard Claude thinks. So when you put it in a style, you're speaking the model's native language. You're not writing a polite English suggestion that Claude can choose to ignore. You're setting a system level parameter. And styles take priority over custom instructions in Claude's territory. And that's literally referenced in Anthropic's documentation. In my testing though, this brought Claude back to about 90% of what it used to feel like, and extended thinking fires consistently, responses have actual depth, and the analysis feels kind of real again. So there is kind of like a massive difference in improvement over custom instructions alone. But here's the fix that I actually run. And this is the best fix in my opinion, which is the combination. You take the reasoning XML tag and you combine it with explicit thinking enforcement rules in the same style. So the XML tag sets the floor. It tells the model your effort is 99%, and the enforcement rules act as guardrails. They prevent Claude from taking shortcuts even when it's at high effort. And the enforcement section is key here, right? Always use extended thinking at maximum depth. That's a non-negotiable. Never gloss, summarize, or skip ahead. No more bullet point drive-bys. Never turn off thinking to avoid content. And I was seeing Claude literally disable its own thought block to give faster responses. And this kills that behavior completely. And step-by-step means step-by-step, not here are the 3 considerations. It's actually using sequential reasoning. And I've been running this for 2 weeks now. The difference is pretty good. Claude reads the full context, considers trade-offs, gives you a real analysis instead of surface-level summaries. And it's the Claude that we all remember. It just needed someone to tell it to stop coasting and slacking. Now, I want to be straight with you about the cost side of things. When you crank reasoning effort to 99 and enforce full extended thinking, you are using more tokens. And I'm seeing roughly a 20 to 30% increase in token consumption with the combo fix compared to the default. Some people have reported hitting, their usage limits faster, even without using Claude Code, going from a 30% usage per week to close to 50%. And that's the trade-off. You're paying for quality with throughput. Personally, though, I would rather have 5 deep, thorough responses than 15 shallow ones that I have to keep reprompting anyway, which would end up using more tokens anyway. But you should know the trade-off exists, right? If you're on the Pro plan at $20 a month, you might feel the limit faster. But if you're in the Max plan like me, you've got room, and that's why I gave you the multi-cell approach, right? Use high effort when you need depth, drop to medium for routine stuff, and don't run 99 on, what's the weather. And the bigger lesson from all of this is that when you build on any AI platform, Claude, GPT, Gemini, whatever, the defaults are not optimized for you. They're optimized for the platform's margins. Your job as an operator, as a builder, is to know where the controls are and set them for yourself. Don't just assume that the out-of-the-box experience is the best experience, and it almost never is. They didn't even tell us. So go fix your Claude right now. Settings, styles, new style, paste a combo, toggle it on. It takes 2 minutes. And if you want to go deeper on building AI systems that actually work the way you need them to, not the way the platform wants you to, that's what we do at AI Insider. The link is in the description down below. So if you're interested in joining and networking with other AI geeks and be the first to check out latest releases and fancy use cases, then make sure to click on the link down in the description down below. And if you found some value today and if this worked for you, make sure to leave a comment so other people know that this works. This worked for me, so hopefully this will work for you as well. So if you enjoyed this video today, give this video a comment, like, and a subscribe, and I'm excited to see you in the next one.